Earbuds. Yes, we are reviewing some more earbuds. These cost, well, at the time, they cost about £22. But it says there was £29.99. Plus, looking at the moment, there is a £4 voucher on there as well. Don't forget, I will stick a link in the video description in case you want to go and check them out. And as always, we will try and do the best we can on doing a good review. So what we're going to do in this review is go through some of the specs, a quick look around the box, go through some of the specs, see exactly what you get for your money, see how easy it is to set up, and they should be quite easy to set up, but you never know. So with that, let's have a quick look. So one-step pairing, according to this, voice assistant, so basically it talks to you, says, oh, I'm connected. Ergonomic design, touch control, stereo sound, a lightweight design, and these are designed for sports people, if you like going running, things like that. I do lots of running. So it says the model is an I30 chip version V5.1, maximum transmission range is 15 meters. That's really good. Working temperature range is from 10 to 50 Celsius. Let's get on with it, shall we? I've read all that out. Let's get out of the box, see exactly what you get. Nicely padded, by the way. That is everything you get in the box. So you have instructions. I will have a quick read of them. We have a USB with a USB Type-C connection, and I've had a measure up already, and that is approximately 300mm. So not that long. It comes with some spare inners with two different sizes, big ones, little ones, and I'm guessing some on these. There you go. So what's that? Middle size? It's about the same size as the big ones. Right, don't forget, for those who've never used something like this, there is a little bit of plastic covering the little sensors there. Yeah, there's a little bit. You need to remove that first because they will not charge up if you don't remove it. And I can't remove that. Come on. Gotcha. A little bit of plastic. Right, I've charged it up already because I thought I might as well get it all ready before I do the next part. So one of the things I liked about this, or liked about these in particular, was the green light. Look at that. Yeah? It looks like a pair of eyes. And they look quite nice. Green eyes. Yeah, I thought they look really good actually. So yeah, I thought I like that. Fits in there really easy. I do like the smoked plastic so you can see through them as well. They're fully charged by the way now, as you can see. Let me just take it out, put it back in. See that? Yeah, green eyes. I thought they looked really good. There is a little light on the front as well with like three bars of light, yeah? So when it's, you know, fully charged, they will all light up, I think. See if I can get, there you go, look, 3 lights. So make sure you keep this charged up as well because this charges up them. One thing to bear in mind, and this is the same on most earbuds, the contacts, these little contacts here. They will have a little bit of plastic over the top of them and you need to remove them like I showed you just a minute ago. Make sure you remove that because when you put it back on there, they're not going to charge up if you don't remove that bit of plastic. And the only reason I'm letting you know this is because I've had a few people recently come up or message me and say, I don't know what's going wrong, it's not working, they're not charging up, and all it is that bit of plastic. You need to remove that, okay? So what we're going to do in this part is we're going to see how easy it is to connect these to my Bluetooth. It should be really simple, but if you've never done it before, you might learn something. So remove the little spare earbud things out of the way. USB, I'm going to move that out of the way. That's very short, by the way. It's not the shortest I've seen, but it is short. So get my phone, oops, and go over to Bluetooth. See that right? Oops, closed again. Now this is how I do it. I find it a lot easier to do it like this. So Bluetooth, get your Bluetooth, pair a new device, and then take them out. If you take them out, they will obviously start up themselves, and they will do a search for a Bluetooth device looking for them. Give it a couple of seconds. Crikey, that was quick. Allow access, power. So I30, okay. That was really quick. Quicker than I thought it was going to be. It might not always be that quick, but that was extremely quick. So let's put some music on, shall we? I'm going to go through audio and I'm going to show you how easy or how hard it is to actually play a bit of music. So I've got a bit of music up. I'm not going to listen to them just yet. I'm going to see how easy it is to control. So music's playing. One tap, what does one tap do? One tap, pause, play. Easy enough. Right, I do believe double tap should increase volume or reduce volume, depending on whether you're doing the left side or the right side. Let's have a go. Right is increased volume. You have to double tap it and it goes up in stages, yeah? See that? And obviously the left, well, hopefully it's obvious, should reduce it. Easy enough, yeah? Easy enough. Next track, I do believe for the next track you hold it in for about a second or two and it will go to the next. The same as if you want to go back a track, hold it in for a second, it should go back. Right, let's do a comfort test now and listen to some music, see what the quality of sound is like. I never know how to put these in. Do you put the earbud in first and then flick them over, or do you flick them over and then the earbuds in? Well, that was easy enough. Oops. I went back a track. Right, pause. Paused. So, comfort. Got to make sure it don't fall out. Comfort wise, yeah, very comfortable. Obviously the buds are perfect size for my ears. Yeah, definitely don't feel as though they're going to fall out. Music. Next track. Oh, volume, that's volume here, I've got to hold it in. Oh, it makes a little boop sound. I like this one. Nice bit of bass, nice bit of treble. Don't forget these are stereo. And they have a built-in microphone. So if you get a phone call, hang on, pause that. If you get a phone call, yeah, you can actually talk to someone because it's got a built-in microphone somewhere. So you don't have to have the phone in front of you. Although I think most people will anyway. Play. Oops. Oops. How loud can it go? Oops, next track. No, I don't want Alexa, go away. Yeah, very nice. What I'm going to do now with my little green friends, put it back on there. Yeah. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to have a couple of days with them, see how I get on, see how comfortable they are over a long period of time, say like an hour or something like that. Play some music, listen to things like some YouTube videos, so I've got a bit of audio and a bit of music as well. The bass and treble, by the way, is very good. Just perfect, really. Not too much, not too little. Just spot on. It might just be my ears, but yeah, very nice. So yeah, couple of days. I'm going to give them a try for a few days, and then I will come back and tell you what I think about them. So with that, see you in a bit. Actually, you'll see me like in seconds, but it will be a couple of days. Oh, sorry about that. I got carried away. So I've been trying them out for a few days now, and yeah, no issues with them whatsoever. Nice clear audio, nice bit of bass, nice bit of treble, like I said earlier, and very comfortable. Didn't get sore ears or nothing like that. Don't forget these are also waterproof, although I wouldn't go swimming with them on, but they are waterproof. I think it was level 7 or something. Yeah, so you know, if you're out in the rain, you shouldn't have any problem if they got a little bit wet. But like I said, I wouldn't go swimming with them because I'm not sure how waterproof they actually are. But easy to use, quality of sound is very good in my opinion. And like I said earlier, I do like the little lights. I think they look really nice. And it probably wants charging up now. Not sure how long the battery would actually last because, you know, I'm using them for about an hour or so maximum before I put them on charge anyway. And like I said, I've had no issues with them. I can't imagine, you know, after about 5 hours you'd probably want them in your ears anyway. But I would imagine they should last as long as they reckon they do last, because the lights go off after a little while, you know, when you got them on. So that will save battery as well. And I really do like that. Yeah, it's very good. Definitely gets my thumbs up for the amount of money they cost. And I must admit, I haven't found many bad, you know, earbuds. 90% of them or 95% of them have been very good. I have had the odd one or two, and you know, where they won't sit in your ears or something like that, or the audio is not fantastic. But the majority of them are all pretty standard nowadays and all pretty good. Considering what you pay and considering the size of them, they're very good. Definitely gets my thumbs up. Don't forget, I will stick a link in the video description in case you want to go and check them out. And you know, in case you want to go and buy them, they're affiliated link, which means I'll get a small kickback at no extra cost to you. What the price is on Amazon or eBay, wherever I put the links, that is the price you pay. You don't pay no more. It's the same price. It's just that I get a little bit of a kickback, if you like. So with that, if you found this video informative, and if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe. It doesn't cost you any money whatsoever, and it does help the channel to keep on growing. Thank you very much for watching. I do like them green lights.